Hey, this is Jason here at Gear Auto Mechanical. Long time no see. Anyway, today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be welding in these little brackets to be able to lower this a little bit in there so I can finish flushing the headlight on this thing. The other side's already done. I needed to kind of get in touch with myself and get that done first, because I want to make sure I did it right. Got these other two brackets here welded in already on either side for the light bezel itself, and now we just got to get the lowering brackets put in there and then assemble the light. Hopefully everything goes right. Let's see. Go ahead and get started. Alright, we got them all tacked in and ready to rock and roll. Anyway, let me show you here. So we tacked them in, got them in there pretty straight. They'll work though. Might be a little off on that one, but not much. And that one came out really good, so happy about that. I'm sure you guys don't want to see me grinding on anything. We'll get back to you. You have a good one. Bye.